Hello.
Hi, it's Miss Laramie and Miss Alyssa, and we are here today to do silly sounds, but we're going to do them from our book, The Little Old Lady Who Was Not Afraid of Anything. So we're going to do them in order that they are on the last page. Okay, are you ready? So 2 shoes go clomp, clomp. Can you say it? Clomp, clomp. 1 pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle. And you can hear that wiggle, wiggle. 1 shirt goes shake, 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 shake. Oh, 2 gloves go clap, clap. Your lips explode.
Clap, clap.
Clap, clap. 1 hat goes nod, nod. That N sound comes through your nose. Nod. And 1 scary pumpkin head goes boo, boo. Your lips make a ooh, boo. And they make altogether a scarecrow. Should we do it one more time? We'll go through it one more time. All right, get ready now.
Say
you know
your
what's
silly
coming.
sounds with us.
All right. 2 shoes go clomp, clomp. 1 pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle. 1 shirt goes shake, shake. 2 gloves go clap, clap. 1 hat goes nod, nod. And 1 scary pumpkin head goes boo, boo. And all put together they make a scarecrow. Thanks for doing our silly sounds with us today. Bye.